Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Staud unboxing. So I'm not sure if you guys are all familiar with this brand, Staud. So Staud was actually founded by Sarah Staudinger in 2015, and they are based here in Los Angeles, California. So I discovered their brand a few years ago. I got some leather goods from them, and I also got some clear bags, which is actually in a great and awesome quality. And I just really love this brand, guys. I mean, the attention of details, the craftsmanship, the leather, and also the price, which is highly affordable. So recently, a few weeks ago, they started their summer sale, and luckily I was able to get this beautiful item, this beautiful purse that I have been eyeing, that I put it in my wish list for quite some time. And surprisingly, this is part of the sale, and I was totally excited. And yeah, it is here. So this one, they put this one in a box, but I took it off from the box because the box was entirely dirty. And this is their packaging. Right there, the brand sticker. And here is the bag. Okay. So, this one is still in the original packaging, which is quite nice. As you guys could see, wow, it is gorgeous. Wow. That's the only word that I could say, gorgeous. Wow, the moment I saw it, this one is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. The leather, oh my goodness. This one is actually made up of 100% lambskin. I know that I am very sensitive when it comes to that particular leather. That's because it is prone with scratches. So I actually didn't put, I thought of buying this. I didn't actually think twice. That's because it's okay with this type of leather. I actually paid around $200 for this. It's okay if I could get marks, scratches, or anything like that, rather than just buying actually a lambskin that, rather than spending thousands and thousands of dollars, and I end up getting a lot of scratches and marks, which really kind of bothers me a lot more than anything else. But anyway, this is actually originally 300, I think this is 350 US dollars, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, it's right here. It's 395 US dollars. That's before tax. And I got this around $200 for their summer sale. And I'm so excited because I love the structure. I love the style. I love the quilting. I just love, like, I don't know, this seems to look perfect. I mean, I did not expect, like, looking at it right now, it just looks very, very luxurious, very classy, and the lambskin leather looks fabulous. Wow. And on top of that, I know this one is made up of lambskin leather, but this is a structured bag. Like you could just lay it right there. And then let me see the quilting. Oh wow. The quilting, see how structured this is? It's like it has a padded inside. So it's not like when you pinch it, let me try to pinch it. It is not like really soft, like a pillowy or puffy soft, but it has structured to it. So when you pinch it, it's not just gonna like sort of like, it has structured. You know what, if you guys know what I mean. So much for that. At the bottom, that's the brand right there. It says Staud. This one actually in a heat stamp. Oh my gosh, look at how nice that is. And another thing that I noticed, this one didn't have a feet. Okay, so this is the side. This is the side. The detailed is gorgeous. Wow, very nice. So let me just remove this, or this is the strap. So this one came in with the strap. So let me just take a look. Oh, the strap is also, wow. This strap is actually, it's surprising. I thought it was just like a flat, long strap, but it's actually round. Wow, this is so awesome. And this one has a brass hardware. Absolutely gorgeous. And it has those detailed right here. It says Staud right there. Very nice. It has some nice hardware though. And then this one is rounded. It has round, and this one is softer compared to this quilt right here. So it came in with this strap. And then, oh my gosh, let's take a look at the top handle. Another feature that I love about this purse is the handle. Look at the handle, guys. This one is a knotted handle right there. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. And I also love the fact that this one didn't have so much hardware. This is just pure leather right there. The handle. So let me see. Okay, the handle right here, it has a doubled handle, which is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take a look at inside. Oh, like this one is really structured, guys. I tried to pull it on the corner. You can't. This is like, it has a padded inside, like a hard padded inside. So let me just open it like this. Oh, so this is the dust bag. It feels like the dust bag is, it feels like a microfiber though. I love their dust bag. It's very, very soft. Wow. Okay, let's take a look at inside. This one has a D-ring right here in the corner where you could actually hook these straps. Very nice. And inside the closure, this one has a drawstring closure. Oh, actually in both sides. So you could just cinch in both sides like that. And then you could open it like this. And then this one has a leather tab right here. It says Staud, their brand. And also this one on the inside, this is actually lined with suede. Wow, very, very soft. This one is a desiccant right there in the inside. And what else? Yeah. Wow. So this one, it says right here in the tab, this one is made in Vietnam. And wow, look at the inside. Well, you can't really see it because it's black. Very, very soft. Oh, okay. I saw some pockets right here on the corner, which is actually in black as well. It is hard to see. Wow. This one looks very pretty, guys. I love that it has structure though. That's a nice thing that I love about it. But yeah, this one is made up of 100% lambskin leather. I really thought that the leather could have been really soft and flimsy, but apparently it is very soft and it just feels luxurious. It looks luxurious, it's shiny, but it's like, it's not flimsy at all. But this part right here, it is very, very soft and comfortable like that. So let me just try to put the strap. So this is, the strap is actually, the strap is short and not adjustable at all. I don't know how they figure this one out to just make the strap very short. But yeah, you could use this on your shoulder, I believe, but using it as a crossbody, it will be like too short. So yeah, so this is how it looks with the strap. Beautiful. I know, guys, that with this particular purse, it didn't have like the branding, just plain simple. You could always customize it yourself. You could actually use chain in it, or it could be any sort of embellishment. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna look pretty. But just looking at it right now, this one is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely worth every penny. The leather, the craftsmanship, the quality, the style, perfection. I believe it is gorgeous. Wow, you could just wear this in any, definitely in any occasion though. Definitely. I am not gonna worry too much about the scratches. It's because that's the nature of the lambskin leather. It will always get a scratch. And luckily, I didn't pay thousands and thousands of dollars for this beautiful lambskin. But the quality is absolutely amazing. And yeah, I would highly recommend it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The stitching looks great. Wow. I mean, look at this one. The handle, the knotted handle right there. Oh my gosh. It looks very unique though. I just love it. Even with the strap right here, the handle strap, it was very well done. Very well done. And it is structured. So yeah, so as you guys can see, it could barely move the opening because that's how structured it is. Wow, look at the detailed inside. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I would highly recommend this. If you guys get a chance to check the website, I'm not sure if this one is still available. Okay, let me just see. Okay, this one is currently sold out. And I am not sure if they're gonna replenish it because this is the summer sale. And this one, it is considered as final sale. Okay, this one is final sale from Staud. And if you want something else, they have a lot of selections on sale. You just have to check the website. Some of those items are regular sale, but some of them are final sale. So I am lucky that I didn't see, like, let me just see this. I didn't see any flaws at all. Yeah, but then again, with the leather itself, I am expecting to see like marks. I am expecting to see some scratches. So far right now, it's actually looking pretty good. But I am surprised that this one didn't have a feet. But regardless, it is gorgeous. I love it. Definitely love it. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.